Hello, happy traders. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. So, guys, today we'll be talking about the market, which is a very dangerous one, guys. And let's talk about Nifty July future. So, guys, most of us can see that the market yesterday it went down, and suddenly the market came back to its strong position. What happened today? So today in the morning there was a gap up opening and suddenly the market started showing weak sign. Eventually the market came to crash like it did before. It showed the same sign and signal like it did show today, and unfortunately it went down. So guys, this is something very brutal. Things are happening wrong, things are becoming very dangerous. This is something we should be afraid of. There is something not normal. This is considered to be as a high volatile zone, and the index is also 14 point something. So the thing is the market may go sideways, and after that there was a sudden crash in the market. So this happened between around somewhere around 12 a.m. and then market suddenly went down. So most of you would have focused that it is not more support resistance are not working, it is not anything else. The market was very brutal. This is a kind of manipulation. It can happen. A lot of liquidity intraday traders would have been wiped out. Eventually I also had a losses. So the thing is that no one can escape from this type of rats, and then eventually it suddenly came back and tried to took down the liquidity over here. Now the thing is that the market keeps on buying. Okay, now after that market reversed, it came back to its own position. So we can see that that market is went sideways. Generally we can come to this conclusion that market came to sideways. And what to expect tomorrow, since government has imposed a very strict rule on future and option trading. Probably there will be slapping 30% tax on derivatives trade. So on 15th July, maybe they will come on, they'll have a meeting for that. And on budget session, they will introduce this scheme of 30%, whether to slap 30% fees or not, because derivative is been trading as a gambling or it considered as a speculative one. So the thing is, most of the equity trader will get wiped out, and this could be the end, guys, because those who are trading into the stock market, retail trader will not trade into derivatives, because even if they make 30%, like 1% profit, out of 1% they will have to pay 30%. Okay, so 0.3% of their profit to the government. So eventually people will left with only 0.5% profit, and if you incur the losses, that too will be imposed on to this. So what choice do we have? Oh, we don't have any choice. So well, we can only hope for the best. And this type of manipulation was very uncertain, unprecedented. Well, we cannot do anything now. Most of the retail trader will shut down their trading, so we'll not have anything apart from that. Now what to do? Let's then we should focus on equity holdings, and we'll try to do that, because this will be a sudden bad news are coming. Also, we have been reading multiple sources from the news, and after reading I got confirmation, final confirmation, that yes, the tax will be imposed, and it is all the news, it says true. And let's see what are the core things lies into this budget session. And let's focus on guys, nifty consumption. Okay, so nifty consumption went sideways, guys, nothing much to say. Commodities also went sideways. Nifty bank showed a very sharp recovery today, guys. After a big fall, it showed a very sharp recovery, very sharp. Most of the traders were happy. Now the thing is that we don't have a volume available for this because the big players don't want, you know, we have a volume. Try to understand this. They don't want us to show volume, and the thing is, they don't want to show is because they don't want us to make money. If retail trader started making money, then what will happen about the big investors? Okay, big retail persons, like big sorry, institutions persons, those who are trading alone, sitting in the desk, one man against the world. So either way, one or the other will always come and take over someone. It is true that nature says that survival of the fittest. So anyway, guys, this is something that we should focus on. And yeah, Bank Nifty has given a very sharp recovery in the meantime. Well, about Nifty Energy, it went sideways, nothing much. Nifty MNCs, nothing much to say. Nifty Pharma, boring, nothing much to say. It went sideways. PSU banks all went sideways, nothing much. And let's come to this one. The today's contract, it all went to zero. Okay, only except 24,300, which rallied. So it rallied out. Think guess how much? From 22 it rallied 40 within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so it's okay, guys. Catching this type of trade like Hero Zero, it is not possible. You see, you made profit over here at bought at 20, you sold at somewhere might be 30. You might be waiting for the 40, but at next moment, whip, it's all went to 15. What you have? You have nothing. You all lost it. Okay, there is nothing much into this. Now, consider to this, people will lose everything if you try to do Hero Zero trade. I'll highly recommend you to not to do any kind of activity. I see most of the investors they make money out of retail trader also they make money. But if you want to be on the path of learning, and if you want to be at a path of sincere trading, then you should focus on what is right, what is natural. Okay, uh, things take time. You know, making money is like it takes time. Earning money takes time. Spending money does not take time. Same goes with the stock market. Earning money takes time. Losing money will not take much time. Within a second, you will lose everything. Even most of the traders have lost money in today's market, and most of so what we can expect from this market that we don't make money on the day. The day before, yes, yesterday also most of the retail trader have made a very good profit, like more than they would have earned in lakhs. Yeah, there's one big shortfall and they earned in lakhs. Okay, so today also same thing, they earned very high. Those who have missed the opportunity most could have got wiped out badly, but anyway, guys, let's hope for the best. Nothing much to say about today's analysis. So till then, guys, keep working, keep sharing, and keep learning. And yeah, happy trading.